For this tutorial, I want to show you how to make the front post extended double stitches, which are used in this pattern and other patterns as well, to create diagonal lines. In my patterns, you'll see it represented with arrows that are on the diagonal. So this is the front post extended double stitch, 2 stitches forward or backward. To make such a stitch, first we need to know exactly where to put the stitch. Since we're going 2 stitches forward and we have 1 stitch here on the hook, we count here and then we go below in the row with the same color as the working yarn. We yarn over and then we insert the hook behind the 2 vertical bars of that stitch, pick up a loop, chain 1 and then yarn over, pull through 2 to create the front post extended double stitch, 2 stitches forward. Now we have to skip 1 stitch, this one, because we already have a stitch on the hook for that, and I will make simple stitches. And I will show you how to make the same stitch but backward. So now we count backward. We have the current stitch here, then we count 2 and 1 below. So we yarn over, insert the hook into this stitch, pick up a loop behind the 2 vertical bars of this stitch, chain 1 and then yarn over, pull through 2, and that completes the stitch. And I have a last stitch here and then the return pass. And I will switch colors and make a row of simple stitches. And now we can look at these stitches. As you can see, they are at about a 60-degree angle, and they are much more on the diagonal than the front post double stitch forward and backward. So that was the Tunisian front post extended double stitch, 2 stitches forward and 2 stitches backward. Now if you want to make this, I will have a separate tutorial in which I show you step by step how to read the chart and how to make this whole bee pot holder, and then you can use this to make other projects like a cardigan with bees on the bottom. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my email updates, because I will send you an email every time I have a new tutorial available.